Hi everyone, it's Usman, and today I'm going to record a video tutorial on how to deploy CyberPanel on Amazon Lightsail. Right now, I am in my Amazon AWS dashboard, uh, and you will see this dashboard once you register an account for Amazon AWS. Once inside here, you can either click on services or search for Lightsail from here. I will click on services and click Lightsail, and I will land on a Lightsail dashboard. Usually I notice that Lightsail instances are slightly slower than DigitalOcean UpCloud, but they offer an instance with 3 months, up to 3 months for free. So we will see that how we can first create an instance, then how we can assign a static IP, and then deploy CyberPanel and also open the necessary ports required. So I will go with first I will choose the location. Let's go with Stockholm. You can go with the location which is the most closest to your clients. For OS I will select Ubuntu 20.04, and in this tutorial I am not going to use the normal terminal like Bitwise or that comes with Linux or Mac. I am just directly going to use the console given by Amazon Lightsail. I will go with the $10 plan, and I will name it CyberPanel tutorial. So let's double check if everything is right. All right, so I will click create instance. So the instance is getting created right now, and for installation you can come on CyberPanel main site, which is cyberpanel.net. You can either click get started for free, or you can go to the documentation section, and here you can come to installing CyberPanel. So you will land here, and you just need to copy this one single command that you can paste there. So our instance is ready. The first thing that we need to do is we need to assign a static IP address. That's very important with Lightsail, because if you don't assign a static IP, once your virtual machine reboots, you will get a new IP. CyberPanel root. So let's create a static IP. Alright, so static IP is created and assigned to our virtual machine. We will then go ahead and open some required ports. Port 80 and 22 is already open. We'll open TCP port 443, and we will then also open UDP port 443, because that is required for QUIC. We will then also open port 8090, because that is required for you to access CyberPanel. That's a CyberPanel port. So we will open TCP port 8090 as well. And what you can also do is you can also restrict TCP port 8090 to only your IP address too. You can click on create rule, add the port, and go to IP to location.com. This will give you your current IP. You can copy this IP and just paste it here. Right now the port 8090 is open for all the IP addresses. So with that done, we will come here and connect to the server terminal right from the Lightsail dashboard. So we are connected. You can see that right now we are logged in as Ubuntu user. So to install CyberPanel you need to log in as root, which you can do here by this command. I will copy the command and paste here right away and press enter. CyberPanel installation will take anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes depending upon the size of your instance. I will select CyberPanel installation. I will go with open Lightspeed, and if you have an enterprise license key which you can purchase from the Lightspeed store here. So if you want to go with the enterprise version, you can go to the Lightspeed website and purchase a license from here, and you can see that you have various options here. Once you complete the order, you will get a license key which you can paste here. I will just go with open Lightspeed, which is free for unlimited number of domains. I will press select one. Install full services for CyberPanel. Normally Lightsail and EC2 block email services, so I will not go with full installation. I will not install postfix. I will host my DNS on Cloudflare, so I will not install DNS as well, and I will install FTP services. Alright, we don't need remote MySQL now, and here you can select the different versions available for CyberPanel. Like you can go to our GitHub branch and go here, and you can see that you have version 2.0.1, 2.0.2, 3, 1, 2, 2.1.2. These dev branches, don't install these dev branches. Just go with the stable branches, which is right now v2.1.2. So if you don't enter anything here, it will go with the default latest version. But let's say, for example, if you want to install on a different branch, you can enter here 2.1.2 or 2.1.1, and you don't need to enter the v. So I will press enter. So you can see that the branch v2.1.2 is selected. I will go with the default password for the tutorial, but when you install, you can select random, and the random password will be generated for you. I will not install these extensions right now, which can be done later. Alright, so after all of these steps, CyberPanel installation has started. It will take some time, and we will come back once the installation is completed. So alright guys, CyberPanel has successfully installed, and now you can access CyberPanel using this link. I will open this link in new tab, and if you while deploying selected a random password, the random password will be displayed here. So initially you will get this SSL warning, and I have also created a YouTube tutorial on how to get rid of this initial SSL warning. So enter the username and password, and you will be redirected to CyberPanel dashboard. So you can see my other tutorials on how to register a domain, set it up on Cloudflare, and then deploy a WordPress site on CyberPanel. So this was specially for deploying CyberPanel on Lightsail. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. And apart from that, you can see that you can you need to open more ports. For example, if you want to use FTP, you will have to open these ports as well, and this port as well. But other ports, SMTP ports, are not required because Lightsail does not allow you to send emails, so it does not make sense to open these ports. So we have also not installed the DNS server, so this port, opening this port is also not required. I mean that you don't need to open these ports here, because this is a provider level firewall, and this is on server level. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section. Thank you.